Good morning, guys. So I woke up this morning and I feel that I've got a bit of a cold coming on. So, chop the lemon in half, ginger, fresh ginger, turmeric and cayenne and honey. I'm going to blend them. So I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice into here. Lemon juice has got good cleansing agents to get rid of the toxins and vitamin C. So I'm just going to squeeze all the juice from this half lemon into here. I've boiled the kettle as well. I'm going to stick some Vicks in boiling water and towel over my head over the bowl, and breathe in the steam, which should help clear the sinuses and airways. So this is a handy little home remedy if you've got a bit of a chesty cold or cough or something like that. They're only very mild symptoms, but everybody in the house has had it. I've been at work all week outdoors, so I haven't really had it, but now I've stopped and it's Christmas Eve, typical. I feel a little bit groggy, so prevention is better than cure, as they say. So squeeze that into there, give it a good squeeze. So I've got lemon juice in there. That's my little blender. I'm going to chuck the ginger in. Good chunk of ginger. And next I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in. Just open the lid. Put a little bit on a tablespoon. Not to put my phone down. So I've got half a heaped tablespoon of turmeric powder into the mixture. Next I'm going to put a little tinsy bit of cayenne pepper. So these spices have got anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, antimicrobial properties, which are good at fighting against infections. Cayenne pepper is a strong, hot spice. You could use chili as an alternative, so I've just put a little bit at the end of a tablespoon there into the mixture. And then last, we put a bit of honey in. So honey is a good antiseptic. I'm going to get a tablespoon of honey. And pop it in. So this is not gecko related at all, but it's a very good home remedy to make. just get the rest of the honey off with the spoon. I'm going to go out and finish my Christmas shopping today and made plans for this evening as well, so I don't want to be coughing and spluttering all over the place. Okay, so I've got that mixed in there. Next I'm going to add a bit of boiling water from the kettle. Let's see where it says max. I'm going to fill it up. It's about there. And I'm going to stick this over the top of this. Just put my phone down again. And then I'm going to add this onto this juicer. And push it down and blend. Doesn't need much. Do. Give it a little shake. And then I'm simply going to pour some into this shot glass. And there we have it. Turmeric, cayenne, ginger, lemon juice and honey blend.